Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today what I'm going to show you to do is we're going to change this voltage rectifier in this 1500 watt. Very easy change. You're not going to need many tools. We are going to need just a set of Allen keys, and you might need a set of snips like this just to snip a zip tie. It's not a huge thing. So you're going to come to the left hand side of your machine. You're not going to have to take any parts off other than the voltage rectifier, but you're going to have to take the seat off. So just go underneath here, flip up our seat. Now our voltage rectifier is right here. So it's just that little metal box right there, and it's not really difficult to remove or anything like that. So we're going to come down here on the side. So what you're going to need is your number 4 Allen key. And on the bottom of it, so right underneath here, there's a number 10 mil, or not, sorry. So I'm going to come down here, and you're going to see right there. So this is our voltage rectifier right here, and you just have to take your number 4 in there, get it in the bolt, and loosen it. And then once you loosen it, you should be able to get the nut off the bottom. I'm going to grab a number 10. It's probably easier to just get a number 10 mil wrench and take the nut off. There we go. There we are. Now we just take the nut off. Just like that. Now, this right here is your plug for your voltage rectifier. So remember I was saying you're going to need some snips just to snip a zip tie? Well, there's one zip tie right here. And we're going to replace that. You can buy zip ties at Walmart if you want, just to zip tie it back up. So there we are. And this is our plug, so we can go ahead and we can just unplug it, just like that. And our voltage rectifier comes up from the top. We can just remove it from the back, just like that. And that's what your voltage rectifier looks like. Now before you put your new one in, so you're gonna new one, it's gonna look just like that. All you have to do is go ahead and put your bolt in first. It's a little bit hard to put it in once it's in place. Oops. So I'm gonna put my bolt back in. And then again, we're just gonna go back in from the back again. We're gonna line our bolt up with our hole on the frame. There it is. Just like that. Then we can put our plug back down through, just like that. And then we can put our nut on the bolt at the bottom. Just like that. And then we'll go ahead and we'll plug our plug back in the way it was. Just like this. That's our plug. And then we can tighten up our nut on the bottom. There we go, just like that. Perfect. Okay, that's in the right place. Now, all you're gonna do is you're gonna need to grab a zip tie, and we're gonna zip tie this back up right here on the frame. I'm just gonna grab a zip tie and I'll be right back. So our zip tie goes underneath and goes over the top here of the frame. And we just wind it back down, right around all our wires here. And that will pull our plug back up. on the inside like that, and that's it. Tied up nice and tight. There are pinchers in here, snip that end off, and that's it, guys. That is how you change the voltage rectifier on a 1500 watt. Definitely like and subscribe, and hope to see you in the comments.